Today I'll be repairing a rose gold Invicta watch. The customer brought it in because the clasp was loose. When I inspected it, I found that the pressure pin in the clasp had snapped in the middle. Both ends were still stuck in place, but the clasp couldn't hold together anymore. Let's go through the full repair process. As you can see, the clasp isn't secure because the pressure pin has broken. The type of pin connects the clasp to the band and keeps everything together. Since it snapped, I need to remove both ends before I can install a new one. I carefully take the clasp apart and push out both ends of the broken pressure pin. Once the pin pieces are out, the clasp is free and ready for a replacement. After removing the pins, I take a close look at the clasp itself to check for any bending or damage that might prevent it from holding securely. I also inspect the band where the repair is needed to make sure there is no wear or cracks. Once everything is cleared, I can move on to finding the right replacement pin. I have multiple assortment kits with different pressure pin sizes. Some of them are called pressure pins. Others are labeled T-bar push style or pin with tube. They all work the same way, but the sizes are different. Some have 2mm head and 1mm tube. Others have 1.8mm head with 1.2mm tube. They usually come in silver and gold. For this repair, I'm using silver. Once I have the correct size, I slide one end of the new pin into the tube and align it with the clasp. Then I attach the band back onto the clasp, making sure the clasp is facing the correct direction, so it snaps closed properly. Once the pin is in place with the clasp and the band lined up, I use a tweezer to set one end cap on top. I tap it gently with a small hammer until it locks in. Then I flip the band, place the second cap on the other side and close it in the same way. To keep it steady, I rest the clasp on a flat metal block so the hammering is balanced and precise. That locks both sides in securely. The end cap's in place, the clasp is fully secured. I check it one more time to make sure it sits properly and locks the way it should. Once everything looks good, I set the correct time on the watch and let the customer know that their watch is ready for pickup. And that's how you fix a broken clasp on an Invicta using a replacement pressure pin. The clasp is solid, the time is set, and this watch is ready to go back to the customer. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and follow for more watch repair tips. Thank you.